6:43 this morning. The big difference today versus yesterday is going to be more clouds around. We're not going to have those bright blue skies like we were seeing yesterday, but it's still going to be a nice day, just not quite as pretty a day. And I do think we're still going to see some sun. At times skies will become mostly cloudy, but at other times they're going to thin out and it'll be a partly cloudy day. I think in general the clouds are going to get a little bit thicker the later on in the day as we go, though. Notice there's no rain around at 3 o'clock, no rain around at 9 o'clock. Now by 9 o'clock I think it will start to transition to those thick overcast skies. But I don't think the rain chance starts till about 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. So if you're going to be out real late, there is a chance that you could see some isolated showers. And it's kind of looking like the best chance during the overnight hours is going to be in the upper valley. But tomorrow, we're going to be seeing a lot more of the rain. Already at 8 a.m. in the morning, this model says the rain covering the valley already. I'm not so sure about that. I think there'll still be some gaps showing up. I think it's going to be more scattered showers in the morning. But in the afternoon, it is looking like there's going to be widespread activity across the valley with very few gaps showing up in the rain. And notice the shades of yellow and orange showing up. What that indicates is going to be some pockets of heavy rain. Most of this is still going to be light to moderate rain, but I do think there's a possibility we could see a few thunderstorms mixed in. And in those thunderstorms, we would have heavy rain. That's kind of what that indication is by that shade of orange. So some thunderstorms in spots, but mostly shower activity. Now, as we get into the evening tomorrow, that's when the rain is going to start breaking up, but it's not going to be completely gone. You're probably still going to want the umbrella if you're going to be out, especially early Saturday evening. But there will be less and less rain as we go through Saturday night, and I think finally by 2 a.m., so if you're going to be out late for Saturday night, chances are things are going to be dry. But during the evening hours, still a pretty good shot at rain. The good news is Sunday is looking significantly drier. Now, looking at how much rain we're talking about, this model kind of does a good job of giving you a general idea that most of us are going to see a ½ an inch, 3/4 inch, maybe a little under an inch. But what these models aren't very good at is showing extremes. And I do think the range that we're going to be looking at across the valley is going to be from about a 1/4 inch in some spots, especially if you don't get under one of those thunderstorms, to if you do get a thunderstorm on top of you to dump some heavy rain, there could be some spots to see up to 1.25 inches. But I do think what the model is showing here is a good idea of what most of us are going to see, ½ an inch, 3/4 of an inch. I think that'll be common across the valley. This is rain that we need, and because the biggest total is only 1.25 inches, we're not concerned about flash flooding. We're not concerned about severe storms. There'll be some thunderstorms around, but not the kind that can do damage. 71, no rain to worry about today. Partly cloudy in the morning, generally becoming mostly cloudy in the afternoon. Winds not very strong, just 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, winds still aren't going to be that strong. 5 to 10 miles per hour. We're going to cool down to around 59. It's looking like a cloudy night. There's a 30% chance of rain, but that chance of rain is after midnight. The evening hours are looking dry. That's good news for Friday evening plans. Now, tomorrow is going to be a wet day, especially in the afternoon. There might be some gaps in the activity in the morning and in the evening hours, but in the afternoon, I don't think there are going to be many gaps. It is going to be a cloudy and breezy day, and notice how it's going to be cooler, too. Highs only in the low 60s because of all the clouds and rain. Now, Sunday, I think it's going to be decreasing clouds. It's not going to be as breezy as Saturday. We'll start out mostly cloudy, but I think sunny skies are going to return in the afternoon, and because the sun's coming back, it is going to be warmer, around 69. We'll keep warming up into the 70s on Monday, but another cold front comes in, and highs may only be in the 50s on Tuesday. By the way, looking windy as well. Well, more news coming up in just a bit.